Before replacing the battery, we need to check out the old battery's health. Go to the setting of the mobile phone and find out the battery health. The battery health is low, it's time to replace it. Long press to turn it off. Use a pentagon screwdriver to unscrew the screws at the bottom of the phone. Pay attention to putting the screws aside well. Set the heating pad temperature to 90 degrees Celsius. Place the screen face down on the heating pad for about 2 to 3 minutes. After heating, we use a clamp fixture to separate the screen. Place the phone down on the fixture and rotate the screw to clamp the screen. After clamping the screen with the suction cup, rotate another screw to separate the screen. Drop a little alcohol around the frame. It will release the stickiness temporarily in this way. Use a pry piece to jam the phone screen. Then twist the screw and take down the suction cup. Rotate the screw and take down the phone. Gradually remove the screen around the edge of the display. Slowly separate the screen from the case. Pay attention to the position of the cable to avoid damage. Lift the screen. The angle should not be over 90 degrees to prevent breaking the flex cable. Use a tri-wing screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the shielding cover of the battery. Remove the shielding cover. Use a spudger slightly disconnect the battery. Unscrew the screws on the shielding cover of display. Remove the shielding cover. Disconnect the connector between the screen and motherboard. Remove the display assembly. Remove the shielding plate of charging port. Disconnect the charging port flex cable. Use a tri-wing screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the shielding cover of the battery bracket. Take them off. Disconnect the battery. Try to use the tweezers to clean up the battery adhesive. Lift the battery. Here's the REPART battery, a new replacement. Tear off the film of the battery adhesive and make its glue adhere to the battery. Press it slightly. Tear off the film. Put on the new battery. Connect well with the battery connector and press it slightly. After that, disconnect the battery. Tighten the shielding plate of the battery bracket. Reassemble the charging port and fix the shielding plate. Reassemble the display cable, touch cable, earpiece cable, and battery connector individually. Now turn on the phone and do some battery-related tests. For the wired charging test, it's working. For the wireless charging test, it's working. Tear off the waterproof adhesive. Make it adhere to the phone body. Press lightly with the tweezers to make it adhesive. Tear off the film. Reassemble all the flex cables. Install the shielding cover, and tighten the screws. Buckle the phone screen. And tighten the screws at the bottom. Turn it on. Thank you for your watching.